Alright, I'm going to be teaching you the basics on how to create a planet using spray paint. We're going to be using poster board for this. It has a glossy side and a matte side. We're going to be using the glossy side. It's less absorbent and helps the paint to move around. For paints, we're going to keep it simple and use glossy black, glossy white, and glossy clear. For stencils, we want something circular, flat, and with not too thick of an edge. I got this bowl at Walmart for about 50 cents. We're then going to place the stencil down and give it a light outline. This will give you a good idea of where to lay the paint down to help contain the textures. Next, we're going to lay down a layer of black to cover the area. Then we're going to do the same with white. Next, we're going to add texture using crumpled up magazine or newspaper. You can also use plastic bags or anything else that you might find interesting. You'll just have to experiment a bit to find out what you like. At this point, this is a subtractive process. Place it down and lightly use your hand or fingers to apply pressure. This will remove the white paint. If the paint dries too much, spray with clear coat to wet the paint again. Next, we're going to use the black to add shadow. Opposite of where we sprayed the black, we're going to use white to add highlight. Very important, wait for it to dry completely. You can use a hairdryer or heat gun to expedite this. Some folks will use a flame to ignite their clear coat as a torch, but I do have to advise against this method. Next, we're going to place down the stencil. We're going to black out the background. And add stars using white paint. You can do this by spraying paint onto your fingers and flick it onto the board, or by creating a sputter using light pressure control on the can. After that, we're going to lift off the stencil, let it dry, add a clear coat, and don't forget to sign your artwork. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing.